Hey everyone, I'm 5FlameTube. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be playing, once again, Stickman Battlefield.
Okay, go before it's full. Go!
Yeah, but I couldn't join. Look, failed to connect to the server. Mine doesn't work.
Ours works.
How come mine doesn't work?
Oh, and you can solve your problem. I'm in mid-game. 2 games.
Okay.
Oh, I don't have my laser. I don't have my laser. Give me my laser.
He has a rocket launcher. At least I killed him. Oh no, not yet. Okay.
Okay, lower that volume before my ears explode.
Okay.
I have a tank, and I have one for you here. Ryan,
I killed a guy with a rocket launcher.
No, come here. One tank.
Oh, I'm gonna get the chopper because I'm really good.
What the hell is going on? I paused my video, but like...
I'm gonna do suicide.
How come it works on yours?
No. Oh, it's okay. Dot. You're Dot's cousin, aren't you? No.
Oh, he's gonna shoot.
It's Max Wayne, bro. And he's dead.
Wait, use Google Play profile? Or use my own name?
Yeah.
I'm coming to you, Ryan. Okay.
Oh, wait, did you already make one? The profile name? What was it?
Die.
Andrew Devon.
Okay, then do it.
Oh no.
What? Oh, you mean like Google Play or like...
Get me out of here!
Like, did you ever make an account on...
See? Oh, that's you. Take the chopper.
See?
Oh my god.
Which one?
Holy god.
See, look at my
You
chopper.
mean play
Look-
game? You mean play games?
Okay, did you ever play
Do
multiplayer?
not shoot me.
No, I never...
That guy has a better one than you. And
Yeah, see, I have this green one. Whenever I get into trouble.
Oh, shit. I'm over here. Okay, I'm on number 2. Chinese guy. Chinese. I'm dead. How do people get rocket launcher?
Dude, I always kill that Chinese guy. Does he have a rocket launcher?
Yep.
Yeah, I always kill him.
Oh, you mean the plays?
Wait, no, go back. You go back. I'm there. Go back. Left. Go back to number 1. Don't shoot. I'm coming. You already got that one?
Yeah.
Up on. Actually, go in the time.
Wait.
Oh, I don't think you was
Okay.
on the come.
Okay, go.
Let's go.
Go.
Ah! I'm out of here.
Someone already took...
Maxwell! Get him. Maxwell died. He's like the guy with the blue chopper.
It doesn't work.
Help me! I'm in a sticky situation. I know. Help! Ow! The guy's crushing me.
Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to... I meant to kill this chopper. I swear to my life.
Almost just protecting those choppers. Oh, that's the glitch. So let's do this. I'll be back in 1 second.
Wait, dude, is it only that round? Is it only that one?
I couldn't do it.
You couldn't do any single one, right?
Yeah. I can only play one player.
Yeah, mine runs all the time. Okay, exit. I have a new one. Alright, exit. I have a new one. Oh, actually, I'm gonna join that. No, don't. I'm gonna join that.
Or can I use
Okay, so
yours?
we're back, guys. Yeah,
Hmm?
let's do this.
My tablet?
No, if you use his, it's gonna be the same.
I mean, like Tuber Games.
Chinese! Okay,
I can use Tuber Games.
Watch out.
What the hell?
I have 5 kills. I know you have 0 because, Oh, dude, there's a tank here.
Okay, protect it, please.
See, look at my fancy green chopper.
You did hack to get that.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Oh, yeah, you did.
I was just
I
lying.
just found it.
No, I bought it.
Oh.
I just kept on watching videos to get gold.
Wait a second. I thought I was the one in the tank, so I was like, come on, let's go. I'm stuck in this tank.
Yeah, dude, I just kept on watching videos. That's how. I didn't hack. I didn't hack anything. Every single hacking app that I got, don't worry, I'll protect you.
Help me!
Where is Google Play? Just pause the video and tell me where. Because
Why?
I couldn't do this. I couldn't do.
Okay, I got the tank. I got the tank. Okay, I got it.
This guy's scared to come up.
Of course he is.
He has a rocket launcher.
Why is he scared? Oh. Chinese guy.
Fuck.
Come on, Chinese guy, come down here. Down.
He
Come down.
Plays here. Guys, wait.
Oh.
No, wait, did you delete it?
No, it's not here.
Lewis! Lewis Marie!
Don't delete anything.
Burritos!
Okay, there.
I got him.
Google Play?
I got Louise.
Where?
I got that tank.
In the
I see a
Play
chopper. I'm
Store?
gonna protect you.
In
I
the
know where
Play
you are.
Store?
If you see a tank, don't worry.
I have to sign into the Play Store?
Huh?
I have to sign into the Play Store?
No, I never said that.
Shoot.
What should I do?
I don't know. Okay, guys, this is gonna be the end of this episode. If you want to see more from us, please do like and subscribe. And I'll see you
Oh my God,
later.
so close.
Bye.